Good morning, YouTube. So I've been working out for the past 3 days, and yeah, today I want to show you guys my full body workout. Before that, I'm gonna have my tummy filled, and right now I'm at a dim sum restaurant by the name of Mongkok Dim Sum. It's located at Lorong 8 Geylang, and yeah, can't wait to dig in. Actually, the vibe here is pretty good. Doesn't look like Singapore. Okay, we're in the gym right now, so first things first, let's do some important stuff. There you go. Then we're gonna wipe it. Also the handles. Okay, good to go. Take the wipe. And stuff. So guys, as I said in my last video, I've been gaining a lot of weights within the past few months, so I have started working out. This is my 3rd day of working it out, and I'm not doing anything crazy. Maybe that's not crazy for me, at least. So what I've been doing is full body workout every other day. So one day of working out, then the other day it will be a very good cardio session, and another day, so the 3rd day, this is my 3rd day, and I'll be doing a full body workout. And then yeah, it's so on and so forth for entire month, and I'll see my results, see how it's going, and I'll try to adjust here and there. Yeah, maybe I'll add in more workouts or more cardio sessions. So yeah, let's go. I'm not going to be doing any diet. I just ate a lot last night, like around 1 AM. I went for supper. I went for some curry rice, 2 in fact. So good, guys. Gotta go for round 2. And yeah, this morning I went for dim sum. Yeah.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chase.
These two weight doesn't look the same, but they weigh the same. So they are all 7 kg. That's the heaviest. That's what all we have. Not bad.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things 2, 3, 4, 5.
So basically, with the bench, I'm doing some chest press, both incline and the flat one, and 2 shoulder press exercises, some Arnold shoulder press and normal shoulder press. And for the machine right here, I'm using it all for my back exercises. So lats pull down, like the rows that we do. And yeah, what other back exercises do you have? Oh, the one that you pull right to your face. I don't know what that is called. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And some biceps and tricep pull down with this. So yeah, for each exercises, I'm doing 4 sets of 8 reps. And sometimes it's 10 reps. So yeah, I still got like halfway. I'm just halfway through. Yeah. Let's get it. And guys, by the way, part of my job is to drink beer. So yeah, my diet is ruined. I just did a beer review on my Facebook page. Yeah, pretty good beer. So guys, I think that's about it. So I might be posting more of like my workout video because I want to show the process and the progress of my body. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.